Hello, teacher. Good morning. The presentation of the dialogue and the problema de technology. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Technology and spy par el mocho. How can we help you? Excuse me, I have a blender that is not working well and I wanted to know are you going can feel inform me? Okay, yes, ma'am. Tell me what difficulty you are present when connected the functions are inverted. If the turn of button is pressed, it turns on. The slow speed in the fasten and the fast is slow to turn or it off. You must press the power button. Yes, ma'am. We can help you with maintain the programming. I commend you know using is the will you bring also the it does not generally is short. Is my tenants time consuming? No man. You can drink in the morning and at noon or in the afternoon you can claim it. Do me a favor. Remember what hour you open? From 8 in the morning, the facility in open until 6 in the afternoon on a continuous day. Thank you very much. Tomorrow and will be me blender. We please of the anything else I can help you tell me? Recommendation further of the application on drinking or completed with a glass to catch its condition when you left and when is delivered. No, thank you very much for your service. See you later. Fine, thank you.